Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Just wanted to show you how you actually reinstall the center diff in your EB410, ET410 by Tekno. I'm going to pull out the center diff. And it can be kind of annoying because you got these two dog bones, but it is actually possible. So the main thing to realize is that you want the dog bones going in vertically so that the pins are going sort of straight up and down. And you want to do the front one first. Let's try to get this lined up. Get the front dog bone in there. Okay, it's actually in. And then for the rear, you're gonna have to pull out the diff again, but stick the rear in first. And the trick with the rear is that you actually, the dog bone is not gonna go completely in the rear because it's just too hard. You actually want it about halfway in the rear, and then you can actually mate it in the front, and then now, once I set the bearings, your whole diff's in there, and both front and rear. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not the easiest thing to do, but there is a little bit of a trick to it. Get that front one in, keep the diff at an angle, and then put the rear dog bone in the back first, but only about halfway, and then you can actually, it gives you enough of an angle to get it into this rear outdrive. So there you go. Hope that helps. Please like, subscribe to my channel as always, and look for more videos soon.